It's a pleasure to have you here. Welcome to the ultimate home laundry solution, the BLACK+DECKER front-load washer, designed to make laundry effortless and efficient for every home. Before we dive in, make sure to click the link in description below to get this washing machine at the best price in the market. This washer is perfect for families or anyone who wants a large capacity machine that can handle big loads without multiple trips, offering 4.5 cubic feet of space that accommodates bedding, towels, and daily clothes with ease. It comes with 12 carefully designed wash cycles, from bulky items to delicate fabrics, so you can tailor every wash to your laundry needs. And its 5 spin speed options and 5 temperature settings give you full control over the cleaning intensity, whether you need a cold wash for delicate items or a hot wash for deep cleaning. One of the standout features is its Energy Star certification, ensuring that while you get a powerful clean with a 1,300 revolutions per minute max spin, your electricity and water usage remain efficient, helping save both energy and costs. Safety is also a priority. The washer includes auto unbalance detection that adjusts spin cycles for optimal performance and reduces wear on the machine, along with a convenient delay start of up to 24 hours, allowing you to schedule washes around your day. The LED touch display is intuitive, making operation smooth, and the included hot and cold inlet hoses simplify installation and water connections. While this washer is slightly heavier than some models at 216 pounds, the performance and capacity more than make up for the extra weight, and its sleek white finish fits elegantly in any laundry room. For anyone looking for a dependable, modern, and energy-efficient washer that combines convenience with professional-level performance, this BLACK+DECKER front-load washer is a great choice. Don't miss out. Check the link in the description below to get this washing machine today, and experience how simple and effective laundry can truly be in your home.